Hello students, in the last class we have solved exercise 2.6. So till question number 5, today we will start with the question number 6. So here in the question number 6 given us the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Now here you have to find their present ages, but it is given in a ratio. So now here we have to consider the ratio present ages, they are in a ratio. So you have to let the present age of present age of Hari. It is in the ratio 5:7. So you have to consider it is equal to 5x. And present age of Harry is equal to 7x. So let the present ages of Hari is equal to 5x and Harry's is equal to 7x respectively. Okay. After 4 years from now, the ratio will be after 4 years. So after 4 years, age of Hari will be is equal to 5x plus 4. You have to add up 4 years, and age of Harry is equal to 7x plus 4. Okay. So but the ratio is given. So is equal to 3:4. Okay. So now here you have to find the ratio of their ages. So ratio of their ages is equal to what? 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4. Okay. Next, ratio here, age of Hari is 5x plus 4. Harry, their ratio is 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4. But the ratio is given, their ages will be ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So we have to equate with as per the given condition. So 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4 is equal to 5 by 7. Okay, it is equal to, it is 3:4. That is 3 divided by 4. Okay, so you have to compare this ratio with the given ratio 3:4. Now you have to solve an equation. Now you have to solve a linear equation. Now here, so now as per I have told in online class, so you have to cross multiply. So cross multiplying we got, so 5x plus 4. So this cross multiplying 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. You have to solve this equation. Now here 4 5s are 20x, 4 4s are 60, 7 3s are 21x plus 4 3s are 12. Okay, all linear variables on one side and the constants on the other side. So 21x, if I transpose left side, it is minus 21x is equal to 12 minus. So if I transpose 16 on the right hand side, it will be minus 16. But this is plus 16. If I transpose on the right hand side, it will be minus 16. So 20 minus 21x. So you will get a minus x. So here 12 minus 16 minus 4. So x minus minus get cancelled. The x is equal to, we got the value of 4. Okay, x we got the, so present age of Hari, how it will be, where it is in the we have considered it as 5x and Harry's age is 7x. So present age, so we got present age of Harry is equal to 5 into x, that is 5 4s are 20 years. Then present age of Harry is equal to 7x. So 7 into 5, it is equal to 35 years. So it is equal to 35 years. So this is the when we solve a linear equation, the ratio is given of their present ages. So you have to equate with their ratio. Okay. Then you have to solve a linear equation. Here denominators are there, so you have to cross multiply, and we'll get the value of x as 4, and the present age what we have considered 5x, 5 4s are 20 years of Harry's, and present age of Harry is 7 into 5, 35 years. Thank you. So next sum. Listen here. Here it is 7 into 4, not 7 into 5. Here 7 into 4, that is x is 4 here. So 7 4s are 28. So here this is 28 years. So here present age of Harry's is 20 years. Present age of Harry's is 28 years. Here I have multiplied 5, but you have to multiply 4. 7 4s are 28 years. Because value of x is 4. We have considered Harry is equal to 7x. So 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. So it is a 28 years. So please change it. Harry's age is 7 into 4, that is 28 years. Next question. Here the denominator, next 7th question. So last question of the exercise. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So here denominator is greater than a numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 70 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So to find the rational number, you should know numerator, denominator. So as per the given condition here, now, so first we have to consider here as per the given condition, the denominator of a rational number is greater than a numerator by 8. So let the numerator as x. Let the numerator as x. Next, denominator is equal to what? So as per the given, denominator is equal to more than a numerator by 8. Okay, so that is numerator plus 8. So it is more than a numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17, so this I consider as a numerator as n. Numerator is equal to x plus 17. So numerator as per condition, numerator is increased by 17. Next, and denominator is decreased by 1. So I will take this as a d. Denominator is x plus 8 decreased by 1. Okay, decreased by 1. So this is equal to x plus 7. Okay, 8 minus 1. So you have to decrease 1. So it is x plus 7. Next, the number is equal to 3 by 2. So write the numerator and denominator. So how will write the numerator and denominator? X by 17 divided by x plus 7. So we got numerator and denominator. So write the rational number. Write the number. So is obtained is equal to this equal to obtained is 3 by 2 as per given condition. As per given. So this fraction, okay, numerator divided by denominator is equal to what it is obtained? 3 by 2. Now find the rational number. So now we have to find the rational number. Now so cross multiply. So we will cross multiply. So here 2 into x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. Now 2 into x, 2x, 17 2s are 34, 3 into x plus 21. So you have to make, now you have multiplied them, so cancel the brackets. So now here all the variables on the one side and the constants on the other side. So here, now here 2x, I'll transpose 3x on the left hand side, it will be minus 3x is equal to 21. So I'll transpose 34 on the right hand side, it will be minus 34. Okay, now here 2x minus 3x, it is minus x. So 21 minus 34. So it will be minus 13. It will be minus 13. It will be minus 13. So here, so minus x is equal to minus 13. Minus get cancels. You will get the value of x is equal to 13. Now here we got the value of x is 13. So what we have considered, let numerator as a 13 and the denominator as a x plus 8. So therefore numerator is equal to what? X plus, so it is numerator is equal to x. So it is 13 and denominator is equal to 13 plus 8. So it will be 13 plus 8, how much it will be? 21. Okay. So now, so what we got the rational number as? Therefore required rational number is equal to numerator divided by denominator, 13 divided by 21 is the required rational number. So hope you understood this. So this completed the chapter 2. In the next class I'll send the PPT on the third chapter, understanding quadrilaterals, and I'll send some definitions, you go through it. So thank you, have a good day. So here only the consideration, here numerator divided by denominator, because we have to calculate the rational number. So required rational number is 13 divided by 21. Thank you.